Hello everyone in Cyberworld. It's time again for another project, so let's get right into it. This project took a couple weeks to complete, but we just had to do something to this outdated mess. I actually stuffed all this mess into my Prius Prime. There's something really wrong with me. My first step was to use 3/4 inch boards to use for the bottom of the drawers I'm building. Next was a whole lot of sanding. Then it was a matter of cutting all the sides for the various drawers and sizes I have planned. After determining which pieces fit together the best, Mrs. Poorman helped to label all the appropriate parts. Now for the most tedious part of this project. I had to drill 250 pocket holes. If I don't drill another pocket hole, it'll be too soon. I even wore out my drill bit. For the larger drawers, I cut the side panels at an angle, which should make sense when you see them later. And now it's time to assemble the drawers. When using pocket hole screws, the wood often moves, so I used clamps and my nail gunner to set the drawer firmly in place prior to using the screws. In order to rebuild the pantry, you have to demolish the old one first. I guess it makes sense to empty the shelves before I go King Kong on the shelves. Consider this the cliffhanger for the pantry rebuild. Dun dun dun! See you next week for the finale of The Pantry Rebuild. Mwahahaha.